I guess something I can always look back on, something really cool.
We're kind of epic.
Right?
Stop. I can't believe that. Hey guys, I'm Jordan Caruso and this is the Porsche Esports Performance Center. Today I'm going to show you around and show you what we get up to as professional esports drivers. So let's go. The new headquarter in Cologne is really cool. It's something that's purpose built for the thing that we all really enjoy. Probably what is the most important part of the center are the sim rigs. This is where we're going to be spending most of our time, all our practice, races. It's all going to happen here. I'll get changed and I'll show you what it's like when we practice.
You know the simulator that the guys use in device, the crazy one?
I've seen it, but I think it looks pretty cool. I'd like to have a go.
Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Well, I think then we should do it, right?
Nice. Thanks. The plan for going to Weissach was have a couple sessions on the sim, get some content for it, and then go back. Was involved in like real life motorsport since I was 7. Like I started racing go-karts. This is the first full year I've ever done where I'm not racing something in the real world as well. For sure I miss it a bit.
Hello Wade, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good to see you.
Chan came in. I raced with him on iRacing, I think since 2021.
What are you doing here?
Driving on the sim.
In the motion one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. What about you?
I will test the new Evo. We have the GT3 R. I think the one you drove on the sim.
Yeah, okay.
I will test on the Weissach test track.
Yeah.
So.
Initially we were talking about like our racing experiences on the sim together, and then I guess at some point it led to him asking if we wanted to go have lunch.
If you guys don't plan for the lunch, we have a nice pizza there, just for info. If you want to join, we have enough.
Sounds good. Hello.
Thibaut, nice to meet
Hello,
you.
Jordan. Walking into the sim room, it's pretty full on, like massive motors, a platform, huge projector and stuff like that. It's pretty full on.
Grab a chair.
Yeah.
We'll do a short introduction to the track. We have a beautiful track here outside that is used mainly for the LMDH rollout, where we test the cars, for example.
I think I did get a little nervous. I'm too competitive not to care if I don't do well.
Okay, Jordan, radio check. Yep. So clutch, ignition, full throttle and let it go.
That was really fun. I think the motion is like, it's the first time I've been in motion that feels natural, like a real car. It was, really cool.
It was a test track here, so a lot of it was learning where the track went. For sure the most realistic experience I've had.
This does look kind of epic.
Finished with sim?
Yeah, I think so. I think so, yeah.
Completely. How was the session?
It's pretty good. Yeah, it was fun, yeah.
What car have you driven on the sim?
Is it the same GT3? Porsche GT3?
The R?
Yeah.
This is the Evo, it's not the R. It is the R, but it's the Evo.
Yeah.
So right now it's
Secret.
secret. When was the last time you have driven a car?
It's been a while now, I think. Start of last year.
What kind of race cars?
It was called a sports sedan, 750 horsepower.
So you're used to cars with power, a little bit of downforce.
Yeah.
You want to drive? You want to try it?
Stop.
I'm serious. You would like to taste?
Of course. Stop.
I would say give him a try.
Sure.
Sounds good.
Oh my God. What?
Have a look. Maybe it fits to you.
Yeah, pizza. Come on, get lunch. Yeah. Fuck.
You will be one of the first person to try the new Evo, huh?
Stop. I told myself last year before I joined the team that this is what I'd be doing, and I wouldn't believe you. It's still like a balance between wanting to send it really hard and knowing that it cannot be crashed. So really fun, awesome opportunity. I think looking back, I'm mainly just like, I guess very thankful for everyone who put it together. I guess something I can always look back on, something really cool.